Ho ho ho's, what's up? Today we're having the 52-inch Casablanca Delta II that got repeat one from others. So this one's interesting. As you can see, it's swimming like a pussy right now. And that's because the ball is tight but it's still loose. Which is weird because Casablanca's never have that part. And that is because Casablanca's so tight in the hinges. I don't think it's because of this. This is my coaches. Hinges loose. We might read the fan. The hinge is not really moving. So, it's that ball. And it does wobble. Pick up more. Not too bad, I mean. I may not have too bad, but it's because more boys is very worked and the weight brackets are not perfect. The worst before that I fixed them a little bit. It's hard to fix up one of these because of the firewall. You don't want to fight the firewall. One works 10 times more pitched and that doesn't work almost like because the body's warped. Which what the weight brackets pitched back here, like right here, no. I'll leave right there so I can kind of show you up, bud. We'll do closer now. Almost dropped my phone. I don't know if we could see. Yeah, motherfuckers whooped. It's worked pretty badly. Look at that. Good one. Seen fish on both sides. That's what forming both sets. I couldn't find any kind of matching ones. I do that now. Couldn't both exposure. This one is extended. This is one of the things. I'm glad of exposed. The tag still had plastic on. I took it off because I'm like that. You should tag. It's newer, I think. But yeah. Not much to say about it. I meant to be that rough with it, but yeah. But it was before, so you can tell how easy it sways. Let me put your ho's ass down. We'll find out if it's center once we turn the fucking fan on. If you like it. My system is pretty fast. Pretty bright with this white hot K4S, I think is. Or K4B. I think it's K4S. Those in my head, so I think it's on a 6-inch download. It can fit. I think these original shades what Rose said. I totally forgot to show you guys. I'm sorry if I don't fit turn my phone back off the tripod because we're playing this, but to get the Casablanca riding right in the grass. Presuming you might be able to see it on these. So, yeah. But those are white and those look really sexy. That's what sprays and wave rackets on bad shape. It hasn't been kind of ways looks like. Trying to roll faster on most car sites, but not too fast. Fast enough where it sways. Cause that ball is, I could put a new ball on it. I said don't, it's just testing right now. But I put some equipment, I would work on more of it. For now, it's just like this and different than what it was. Blades are pretty much in one it once it's all pitched somehow. It makes it look awful more and flat. So, but when you sit under the fan, what goes up how you want to tell. When I sit in my chair, my workbench, on the top, it's swinging pretty fucking good right now. It moves way fast. Mine is pretty fast. It is swinging like a motherfucker now. Don't let its neck fall. Upward to slow down. It sways back right first and it kind of slows down. But definitely swings still. Trying to badge the water. Not trying to swim much. It's definitely swing now. It's pretty fast for low speed. One there. Pretty fast. Damn, Ohio. Motherfucker takes off like bad hell. That ball, you just can't. It don't roll as much as I thought it would though. Goddamn, it was only 6 minutes long. Good Lord. I don't know how long it's been on, but I think it's been on for a time now. So come in and see as it gets to speed. It wobbles, and it doesn't wobble much on me once it gets to speed. Slows it to fight down. Wobble. High, medium check high speed on a hunter. See me on this estimate, a hunter was meant for them. That's like high speed and cheap fan. It is. Info-wise, it's morning. What new thing going to sound high, but way less than this does on medium. Sorry, temperature, we go under it. It's so close to your head. I just hit my head trying to go under it. But I definitely felt decent far in the doorway here, which don't didn't fall. And could be on the bedroom, my master bedroom, my room, no problem. And just on me, probably best speak for it. What the fuck is me? It speeds so far. So as you mow it appropriately. Full speed ahead. Like I said, this motherfucker is so fucking fast. It's ridiculous. It burns, man. It's cold down here too, so 66 down here. It's ain't that cold, but I want to if it's cold down here. We have a fan like this going, cannot. That's all happened to me using those breakers and hitting too long, powerful. You don't need something like this, my basement. If I had a bedroom a high ceiling, one of these would definitely go my room. Cause my room doesn't get hot down here. I mean, look at that. My other Delta IIs don't go that fast. That motherfucker's whipping ass. Let's see if I get by it. It's not one that ball. It's not fully cold either, that ball, because it's been on for real. So it's not the damage it goes when it's done up. I'm telling you, this motherfucker is hauling ass. It's going. Oh my god, dude, it's going. Well, hi for me here to see you guys. What's a glowy boost? Don't wait more than what was. We'll do a spin now. Top right switch. Just yeah, little wobble. Just switch now. Fancy wasn't moving along out probably is. Yup, Fancy starting the movement. You said we were sitting in. Not much. Yup, there you go. No bullfood. If you make on the county, you will see a wobble. Slim this. I don't get why John second job. I was just on hustling. That's why. I'm stupid. These blades, I felt were wood on it at first, but I'm getting good, so I'm not gonna like it. It just looks like one cheap ice and builds. Looks like some hospital or something. You know, low income place or something. But no offense, high quality too, that much. Motherfucker, five bit light bulb I'll never see from the recordescent ability and stuff. So, yeah. I like bulbs from the thing here, but I got tired of looking at that thing with these weird light bulbs. So I switched it back. Cause it's just testing anyway. So, who gives a damn if it has mismatched bulbs? But it doesn't look too bad. So I should have done that best I could. Let's turn it back to high on the chain and we'll brush it if I forget. Cause it speeds up quicker. I know it's better for follow this can happen. It's fucking 9:30 at night. I just don't feel like doing it. I'll fuck when all the first bit. You guys work ever and do brush your windows. Cause I don't watch I only watch demonstration with kids usually. Watch your quicker. Especially the fun national ones, this is fun. Like mine, I cuss and shit. I mean, they're professional, but not very professional. Like me talking to not professional with working stuff, and it's kind of professional, but not really. But yeah, good for what I have and do. Compared to what the fuck I just have on my YouTube channel years ago. Since I was when I put the system in, I didn't think I would keep up with it as much. But all yeah, I do. Might turn it right off. So yeah. It was like hell in the boost. But ever since I got this, but just where there's just so many things in now. Well, to use, but to me out the point where to place the box. And the sound box up and to use. This ain't bad. You look at it go, good God. I'm going to sound kind of visual, man. You will see that. Before that does that first and it stops, but I guess because Westers will show them for the two shots on band. So it just doesn't stop all the way. Like this. That looks good, but it ain't going nowhere, I promise. Is it because of it? I just don't like working at doing it. I said I don't think it's still fun. Wish we should work it for a second. Think it's because Blade's off to the house. But it's going. It's long like a big ass push in the pan. My God. Supposed to change moving with the wobble. Fuck you, LED. I'm surprised you change your rhythm with the wobble, not like back and forth to it on the same road. Meanwhile, pretty bad, but sure it's weird because it's trying to wobble like it's on low speed, but can't really wobble it down high speed. But let me go back to the doorway. Do my door testing. Oh yeah. Definitely get my own doorway. One family spin this one backwards. And this way doing it. It's pleasant. Alright, this motherfucker is off messing with. Oh, babe, I'm hungry. You hear? Box speaking. But since it's on hinge, you can't tell it's on box. Pancake box. Let's just go ahead and just do that, cause Donald Joe won't know. Spin my sim, bro. But you not spin this whole thing over here. That's for air. Actually, my friend, I don't like that. What's goddamn there? I do like big stories. Tell me. Alright, that's all with me. I hope you enjoy. Let's subscribe. Bye, let's subscribe and peace out. Pussies.